This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in San Antonio and we just finished up this 3-car garage with optional baseboard and aprons. So you can see what our baseboards look like. They really tie the floor together nice. We like doing them for customers. Give the floor a more finished look. Here's some details around the fixture. Now we sand and fill the control joints as part of our process. We like to do it because it gives the floor just a much better look. It looks more finished, more installed, and along with the baseboard, it's really a nice looking floor. So this was a full grinding, industrial grade epoxy base, full chip broadcast of color domino, and a Polyaspartic top coat. Polyaspartic is UV stable and very durable. So you can see what the baseboards look like. They followed the course of the first block. Now again, this customer got optional apron finished in. You can see how nice that floor looks in the sun. Beautiful job. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.